it drill. I'm independent, I don't need no deal. I'm jaws on the beat, I got flow that kills. Do my thing with a few G's, Lauryn Hill.
Okay guys, so let's have a look at Initial Audio's super simple and easy to use reverse plugin. Just to really quickly break down the GUI. Across the top here, we've got different dimensions of time based on the BPM in your DAW. So if I've got it on 1 bar, it's going to work on 1 bar over 88 BPM. Perfect for us. We've then really simply got an on-off control in the middle here, a wet, dry mix. We've then also got a fade control that will allow us to fade the effect in and out. So what we're going to do here is just use this on the drum bus just to create a little bit of flair as a verse comes to a middle section and breaks into the next 8. I'm just going to use it with some automation just to add a little bit of difference to the drums. So on our drum bus where we've put this track, we're just going to right click in Logic, create a track. So we've got our drum bus now in here. We're going to switch the drum bus onto latch automation and we're going to play the track. We're going to enable it. At the moment we want the drums to quickly switch into reverse and then come back. We're going to disable it and latch should record that in for us.
Stings like a suicide and grass, they're on the other side, another day, another dollar. Don't wanna hear another lie, just wanna run and hide. Makes a bread and wonder if they'll ever really run it right or escape to where there isn't any guns in sight. It's mad round here, don't come around acting large, get caught.
And that was it. That was simply the effect. And because we had it on latch, that should have recorded in nicely for us and we can play it back.
Wanna run and hide, makes a bread and wonder if they'll ever really run it right or escape to where there isn't any guns in sight. It's mad round here, don't come around acting large, get caught with a strap.
The fades may be a bit much. We're going to dial the fade back. Just have a listen to it again.
Wanna run and hide, makes a bread and wonder if they'll ever really run it right or escape to where there isn't any guns in sight. It's mad round here, don't come around acting large, get caught with a strap. Gonna face a charge, bars behind.
And that was pretty much bang on. Now, because we recorded this with latch automation, bring our automation channel up, see where we recorded it in, and I was slightly late in bringing it back. We're just going to bring that back the tiniest amount. Here we go.
I wonder if they'll ever really run it right or escape to where there isn't any guns in sight. It's mad round here, don't come around acting large, get caught with a strap.
And that, guys, is how we can use something like reverse just to add a little bit of flair into a track really quickly. We can use it for all kinds of things. By putting it into latch mode to just quickly enable and disable it and record our automation, it's ready to roll really quickly.
Wanna run and hide, makes a bread and wonder if they'll ever really run it right or escape to where there isn't any.